Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a TikTok video on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the videos section next to the presentation button and click to the TikTok video option. Here you have more chance. If you want to add pictures, videos or audio files to your video, just go to the uploads button, and here you can upload images, videos or audio files to the Canva, or go to the gallery section, and here you can find the images and videos from your device. In the element section, you can search different graphic elements, for example, stickers, photos, charts, frames, and more. In the design section, you can find different styles and templates, and which were created by professional graphic designer, and just select a template and step on it. You can edit this template. For example, if you want to change the style of the template, just go to the template style button in the design section and click that. If you want to edit this video, go to the edit video button next to the square icon, and in the effects section you can add filters to your video, and in the adjust section you can edit the white balance, the light, color and the texture of the video. If you want to crop or flip this video, just tap to the crop and flip button next to the playback section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.